Hello my lovelies, hope you're all fine. So today I'm sharing a chapati recipe, and today we made so many chapatis because I had so many people over for lunch. So I actually invited a friend of mine to help me make them because really it's too much dough. 4 kilograms is too much. My hands are going to pain me and I had a lot of work to do. So for the chapati recipe, what we needed was grated carrots, ginger, garlic, green capsicums, red onions, turmeric. Did I say ginger? Yes. Salt, that was about 1 tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar for taste, and then eggs. For the eggs, just mix them together with the rest of the fresh grated ingredients. Actually, in case you don't want to grate them, just blend them. I think that is actually much easier. I don't know why he opted for this, but blending is actually far better because it will help all the ingredients like to mix together. In case you have a mixer, please use that. You guys, 4 kilograms is a lot of dough. Just use your mixer and then place the dough on a flat surface and give it a little hand mix, and then it will be ready. So just add some oil to these ingredients and then mix together. The oil helps the chapatis to become very soft. And for the water, you're going to need about 4 cups of warm water, and then add the water accordingly. So I'm going to write for you all the fresh ingredients used in this chapati recipe in the description box. Please check it out, and I'll also write for you all the measurements used. So in case you don't want to use oil for your dough, you can just use butter or margarine. Any of those can make your chapatis really soft. Yeah, so that is why we are adding the oil, because we need our chapatis to be very, very soft. Just mix your flour with all the fresh ingredients that you had mixed earlier on, and make sure everything mixes very well before adding the water. And for the water, as I said, we are using warm water. So just start mixing, and then you're going to keep on adding your water gradually to the flour. You don't have like to add your water at once, because you need to give this dough time to get ready. So you just have to keep on adding slowly and mixing slowly, because we are using our hands. It's not a machine doing the work for us, because with a machine the dough will come out very nice. So with your hands, you have to just like keep on doing it gradually until it is consistent. So our dough is almost ready, as you can see. Yes, so what you're going to do at this point is to just keep on mixing, and then add a little bit of oil to make it softer. Though it is soft at this point, you can see it is soft, and you have to make sure it is not sticky afterwards. If it is sticky, the chapatis won't be good. It has to be soft but not sticky. It doesn't have to like stick on your hands after the whole process of kneading. So after adding the oil, your dough will look like this. It's soft and not sticky at all. Just keep on mixing. Just give it another quick mix, because we want it very soft. Actually, you need over like 30 minutes of kneading the dough to make sure that it's really, really soft. As you can see, it is soft. Yeah, so that is my hand right there. I'm trying to see if the dough is ready, and yes, it is ready. As you've seen, it wasn't sticking on my hands. So now just make the balls before rolling. These balls help you to like make the same size of the chapatis and to also ease the work. In case you want to subscribe to my kitchen by Nana, hit the subscribe button, it's just down below in red, and also hit the notification bell to notify you whenever I do upload. I upload like 2 or 3 videos every single week, and interesting videos, by the way. Yeah, so just hit the subscribe button, and in case of any comments about this specific video, just check the comment section and write your comments below. I always reply to all my comments. And hit the like button in case you've liked the video. Don't forget to check the description box for all the measurements and all the ingredients that I've used in the video. Frying is not actually so hard, only that if you're frying so many chapatis, you're going to be in a lot of heat, which is not good. But what we did, we reduced the heat with some ash. As you can see, it's not too much, it's a little bit regulated. And then just keep on frying and adding more chapatis. You know, some of these things need like experts to do them. Frying is easy, but frying many chapatis at a go is not that easy. Not everyone can do it. I can try, but trust me, you guys is better than me in this recipe. And the best thing about making chapatis is that you can fry while eating. I actually eat chapatis. Whenever I'm making them, I eat while frying. In case I have someone frying for me, still I eat while they're frying. That is the best thing about making chapatis. So some of you might be wondering why he's having a paper, and this is because the chapatis are actually very hot at this point in time, and we don't want his hands to get burnt. So that is why he's actually using it to change them and to also, you know, turn them around. And for the frying pan, this is the best one. A flat frying pan is very good for frying chapatis, because in case they are small, you can just make them a little bit wide when you're frying. In case you need any of these, just inbox me right away, because oh my god, I think there are only like 2 left, so I don't know if you will get your share. But anyway, these chapatis were very delicious, and I had them with rice and chicken. Yeah, so you can have them with beans. It's very tasty. You can have them with peas. I think chapati tastes good with anything, liver and name it all. I think it tastes good with anything. Even if they're just like fresh vegetables, you can just have them with your chapatis. So thank you for joining me today. Hope you had a lovely time. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.